And so we need to know, to leave here with more concrete things that we can do and more concrete relationships so that when we go back, that we can do the work.
Yes.
So what do I do? You ask Kina, get in a conversation with Kina, say, what is it that you're trying to do here? And is there anything that I can do? How can you tell me about what you are doing and what you are leading and she is leading? Is there a place for me in what you're doing?
One of the things that I'm finding, because I have been working in my community because we have a huge DJ issue going on, one of the things that we've been doing has been to try to work with our senators and our representatives. And I know sometimes those sound like bad words because it's like, they're not going to do a thing. And granted, we have had to push our senator, and when I say our senator, I mean our state representative, to do something. But that's where it starts, because they are the ones, if they understand that their job is on the line, that there are enough people who say, look, this is an issue of concern to me, to my community, to my city. If you do not assist us with this, you're not going to have a job. You know, we're going to do what we can to ensure that whoever is running against you next time, if they're interested in helping us, we're going to do what we can to support them. And this comes from, I spoke with actually a representative down in Miami. She was very inspirational to me because she was... No, actually it's Representative Pritchett. I don't know what part, I know Miami's really big, so there's a lot of representatives. But one of the things that she said to me is, you all have to hold us accountable. She's really big on that, of her constituents holding her accountable and telling her this is what needs to be done. So, although it might seem like that particular system has kind of failed us in terms of our legislators working for us, we have to hold them accountable.